All right. Good afternoon, everyone, and thank you a lot for joining me today during my presentation. Today, I'm honored to close the Exhibitor forum sessions, and I hope that this year PCIM was very successful for everyone participating and attending the show, and you had the chance to accomplish all your goals during these 3 days of great work and collaboration. My name is Alexey Cherkasov. I am a marketing director in Leaper Semiconductor company, and today I will present you the latest development of a three-phase silicon carbide power module, or how we call it in the company, HPD series. And since we have to stick to the schedule, if you will have any questions, comments, or suggestions, I welcome you at our booth 520 in Hall 7. There we can have a detailed discussion after my presentation. All right, let's get it started. So, Leaper Semiconductor was established in 2019 in headquarters located in Wuxi in China. Wuxi city is famous for its semiconductor industry, since there are a lot of semiconductor companies located there, and our first production facility is also located in Wuxi. But we also have a site represented in Japan. It's represented by our R&D and second production line. It's located in city of Kumagaya, not far from Tokyo. Leaper Semiconductors is comprised of experienced professionals with deep knowledge of wafer processing, semiconductor design and packaging, quality control, product application, supply chain, customer support, sales, and marketing. In Leaper Semiconductor, we're passionate about power semiconductors and innovation. Our team has long years experience working in companies like Mitsubishi Electric, onsemi, Sanyo Semiconductor, and many other well-known industry players. In Leaper Semiconductor, we focus on silicon carbide power modules. However, we're not just limited to them, and we also have an IGBT product line. With our power semiconductors portfolio, we serve such industries like automotive, rail, renewables, power grid, medical, aerospace, and many others. As mentioned, we have a very wide silicon carbide product line in various designed for various applications and power range. We have more products in development, and soon we will be releasing to the market our LPP series to go beyond and over 1.7 kV. So stay tuned for our product updates. Our product families include most popular industry packages like Easy and Flow for energy storage systems and for power supplies, EconoDual and Compact EconoDual for renewables, power grid, and rail, and Hybrid Pack Drive, perfect for automotive traction inverters. And today our focus is exactly on this product family. In Leapers we call it HPD series. Nowadays, end applications of power semiconductors and silicon carbide in particular were set certain rules and update on a very regular basis its challenges for manufacturers of power devices. All power semiconductor manufacturers have to deal with electrical, thermal, and mechanical design challenges. DC strain inductance, parasitic conduction, multiple chip parallel, lower thermal resistance, and so on and so forth, all push power semiconductor manufacturers to provide their solutions which correspond to these requirements. And our latest HPD series is no exception. HPD series are 1200 volt silicon carbide power modules in industry recognized footprint, which is perfect for automotive, especially for traction inverters and motor drives. HPD series provide high power density and efficiency for inverters designed for longer driving range and lower battery cost. To deliver best-in-class automotive-grade HPD series power modules, Leaper Semiconductor uses its patented arc bonding technology. In HPD series, Leaper Semiconductor uses silver sintering for die attach, high-grade silicon nitride AMB substrates for higher thermal performance and robustness, and highly reliable epoxy resin. And all this leads to optimized internal strain inductance and arc bonding structure, significantly improved dynamic switching performance, 20 to 30% higher power density compared to modules from major competitors, and also a lower thermal resistance. Leaper Semiconductor HPD series silicon carbide power modules deliver best performance for electrical vehicle applications. Design engineers can expect to have higher power density for reduction of system size, provide increased power efficiency, and also increase battery utilization efficiency. Unlike traditional aluminum wire bonding technology used by many manufacturers of automotive power semiconductor devices, arc bonding patented chip surface connecting technology ensures the reliability of silicon carbide modules to reach automotive grade requirements, while significantly reducing parasitic resistance and parasitic reductance. Besides, arc bonding proved to be significantly reducing static losses, improve power cycling, and the ability of short time impulse current. And even if 6 to 10 silicon carbide dies are connected in parallel, HPD series power modules still work consistently. As you can see, a Leaper Semiconductor innovative approach to development of HPD series power modules leads to much better power modules characteristics compared to major competitor in the market. Leaper Semiconductor HPD series have lower on resistance, lower internal parasitic resistance, and total contact and thermal resistance. And even with the gate resistance set to 1 ohm, dynamic switching is very stable with very low switching losses. That's actually the benefit of the arc bonded patented technology introduced by Leaper Semiconductor. Here you can see SimCenter 3-star thermal test results over specified conditions for HPD modules. Thermal behavior of HPD series power modules guarantees very stable performance of the overall system. This HPD series current diagram shows the calculated value for reference based on the limitation of maximum junction temperature of 175 degrees. The actual current output ability depends on the inverter electrical, thermal, and mechanical design. So it can be calculated in actual application system. Right before PCIM Europe, we introduced our demo inverter platform using our latest HPD series power modules. By using 1200 volt HPD modules, this water-cooled inverter peak power reached above 400 kilowatt. And during the testing stage, this demo inverter has been successfully tested in the motor load, reaching above 650 amps RMS, which proves to be an ideal solution for electrical passenger vehicles, commercial vehicles, heavier duty trucks, and also construction machinery. This inverter is compatible with 400 volt and 850 volt e-drive systems. Besides, in Leaper Semiconductor, we offer our customers this demo inverter platform to evaluate our HPD series power modules. And here's a short video of the test of this inverter, so please enjoy. All right. At the moment, we offer HPD series silicon carbide power modules in full bridge topology of 1.2 kilovolt for 400, 600, and 800 amps with two types of chips inside, depending on what better suits your application. So that's it for my presentation. If you have any questions, comments, or suggestions, I welcome you at our booth in Hall 7, booth 520. And thank you a lot for your time, and have a wonderful day. Thank you.